Got the horses down there. Hey, babies. Yeah, I got nothing. I got nothing. I got nothing. I'll look at my breakfast. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. You get your own breakfast. My peanut butter bar. Go say hey to everybody else. Pretty though. Yeah. He's a good horse. Yeah. Alright. See ya. Well, say hey to everybody. So out walking this morning, and gonna go to the Pine Mountain Ridge Trail, and then through Scales and into the Wise Shelter area tonight, because they got a bear box there. Slept good, and it's noisy. There's a lot of people out and about. There's some more horses. Hey, horses. Another one. And another one. Yeah, I slept decent. I didn't want to hang around this morning and eat breakfast, so I just got a bar and ate it on the way right there at those horses a second ago. And I figure I'll stop along the way, have a couple breaks today, have my breakfast in a minute. Thought it was coming up on me. Saw a shadow, and just kind of meander on through. So I'll show you along the way. I just found this place here, and these two trees and the horses. This would have been a good place to camp last night. Oh, it's a lot quieter. Look at that. Look at these guys. See you later. Let's go see stuff. I think that's where I'm going today. Over atop that and down. I think so. We shall see. Just hiked up from down here on this rock, just looking out. Great views. I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll take off this way and on over, and maybe, I don't know, down. I don't know. Just out to enjoy the day. having some breakfast on the way. So I didn't even know it. I went in through there, missed this sign. Pine Mountain Trail. That's where I'm going. I got some blackberries. Here's this little knob. Seen a lot of bear scat. Waiting to get my encounter. They did say there was a lot of bear activity, and make sure that you don't even hang your bear bag, that you use a bear box. That I guess it's just they're hot, they're looking for a cool place, and there's berries. So I get it. So yeah, I'm following these blue marks that connect to the AT, and yeah, this is what I'm walking. I decided to cut through all this. Crest trail runs parallel to the trail I was just on, and it's more open, more views. Everything else I was in was just rhododendrons. Didn't care for it. I'm out here now. This is my view now. I just took somebody's little horse trail off and decided to come join this. Yeah, this is better. I like this better. This is good. See, otherwise, I'd have been up in this thick. Just all rhododendrons, and you can't really see anything. So now I'm just walking along and I get to look at this. It's almost an easier hike too. I'm not sure if these are wild horses or somebody else's. We shall see. Got a little fence here. Somebody might ride those. Somebody's probably camping. Well, I didn't see anybody, but those looked bigger than the other horses that were out, that I called wild, that are wild. It's bigger. Nobody's really out here on this trail. Very secluded. It's a nice camp. A horse camp. Yeah, I like that. It's a good spot. Not for me, but for them. Let's see what this sign says. So I was on the Pine Trail, Cliffside Trail, Route 603. Let's look on the map. I think I'm gonna go back on the Pine Mountain Trail. Back and forth. Yeah, it looks like I'll get some good views over here now. Here we go. Appalachian Trail. Yeah, it'll get me to the Appalachian Trail faster. Cliffside Route, Lewis Fork Wilderness. Appalachian Trail straight. Rhododendron Gap, Mount Rogers. Yeah, I've been that way. Oh, that is a path. I'll do that. So we do have little blue marks. Okay, I was looking. It's not super visible, but it's here. Yeah, I can follow this. It's not nearly as eventful. It's a good, peaceful hike. I guess I was over that way last night. Came down, hiked through here, and on in. It's neat to see. I'm just walking along, and all these gals are sitting here hiding in the woods. Hey gals, we resting? Got a good spot. See you later. Blue. It's really neat. I think we're about to hit the Appalachian Trail again. Yeah, I think right up here. Yep. Appalachian Trail. South, north. And we will head south. This is my view today. Very peaceful. Haven't seen anybody over here. Haven't seen anybody since this morning at camp. Hiking along. See that red flower? Not sure what this is. It's pretty. If you know what that is, comment below. Oh, that's good. Oh, tent camping over here. Yes, I've reached scales. Oh, wow. Yeah. This looks like a place. And it is lunchtime. Where are we at? 11:11. It is lunchtime. Okay. Here we are. See what this says. Appalachian Trail, Orchard, Virginia. What's this? That's the Crest Trail, Appalachian Trail. And here, well, we got Wilburn Ridge, Fox Creek. I think I gotta pass through and go up that way. Let's see, there's my white blaze, but then he's there. What in the world? Look at him. It's time for lunch. Well, that cow moved, and I went to the restroom over there, and now I'm on the AT again. There we go. State Park. 3 miles, Massey Gap, 5.5. Huh. That'd be good. I don't know how far I'll go today. We'll see what I see. Now, I didn't have lunch yet. I think I'm going to have lunch up here. It says there's a view. I'd much rather have a view. So, because I plan on staying there for a little bit. That's where I came from. Oh yeah. So I think I stayed actually over there last night. Came around down here, now back up, making a loop. Oh yeah. That's good. So I've hiked 8 miles. It is 12 o'clock and it is lunchtime right here. This view. It's time to sit and rest. So I got that. I got my little setup here. I'm gonna lean up against that tree. Just chill with some mashed potatoes and pinto beans. That'll be good. That's it. Bon appetit. Like my new shirt. Figure since I was walking the Appalachian Trail, I'll get me a Appalachian Trail shirt. I added Parmesan and red pepper to it. It's really good. Well needed too.